Hello friends. Welcome to Cracked Lat Tutorials. The next edition of the Common Law Admission Test 2021 will be held on May 9th, in offline mode. The Common Law Admission Test is a national-level entrance exam for admissions to undergraduate and postgraduate law programs offered by 22 national law universities around the country. Common Law Admission Test is organized by the Consortium of National Law Universities consisting of the representative universities. Registrations for the Common Law Admission Test will open on 1st of January 2021 and close on the 31st of March 2021. Important dates of Common Law Admission Test 2021. Commencement of submission of online application, 1st of January, 2021. Last date of submission of online application, 31st of March, 2021. Date of Common Law Admission Test 2021, offline mode, Sunday 9th of May, 2021, 3 to 5 p.m. The pattern of question paper for the undergraduate courses in CLAT 2021. The pattern of question paper for the undergraduate courses in Common Law Admission Test 2021. Important instructions. Documents to be uploaded with the online application. Application fee. Admit card or hall ticket. Other important instructions for the candidates. Candidates are advised to visit Common Law Admission Test 2021 website regularly for updates. Thank you.